Let's learn how to set up indirection using the tag history binding type. So here I have a table. I'm going to bind the data property to a tag history binding. But first, we have to select the tags we want to bring back. As you can see here, I have quite a few tanks. I have tank 100 all the way down to tank 124. Now every tank is identical in that they have the same two tags logging to the historian, level PV and temp PV. Let's take the tags from tank 100 and drag it to the right hand side. As you can see, I'm pointing directly to tank 100 here. Down below, I can specify the date range and the sample size. Let's bring back the most recent 60 seconds of data, natural sample size, we'll do min-max, and we'll do the polling off so it just does it once. So as soon as I press OK, I'm now bringing back the history for tank 100 directly. What I'd like to do is let the operator choose which tank up here in the drop-down list that they would like to look at. So if they select tank 102, I want the history down here to change for tank 102. If they select tank 100, I want to go to tank 100. So in the binding, we're going to make it indirect using the drop-down list. So back in the binding, on the right-hand side where the selected historical tags are, on each of these rows, we can click on the row, and then down below we can press the plus icon for indirection. Up here, we can basically double-click and change any part of this path. I want to change the tank 100, so I'm going to put a curly brace 1 and curly brace there. So as soon as I do that, down below you'll see a reference pop into the table, where I can then click on that reference link and link it to a value on the window, which in my case I'm going to link to the drop-down list selected string value. I'm going to do the same thing for the second one here. I'm going to set the tank 100, remove that, and put a curly brace 1. So that same curly brace will apply down here to the same reference. So now I'm going to use the drop-down list. As soon as I press OK, I'm now bringing back tank 100. If I switch this to tank 101, you see the values here change. If I go down here to tank 103, again the values change. So now using the drop-down list, I can point to any set of tags indirectly for tag history.